Today's video is just going to be tearing this car apart. Sad as that is. Over the summer we were having issues with the transmission, being that it's synchronized and I have a triple disc clutch. It wrecked the transmission. So we're going to pull the car apart, yank the tranny out. I'm going to order a new clutch and I'm going to send this transmission out to get faceplated. See him in another life. Once this thing's got a faceplated trans, it's gonna be a freaking party. Should be able to no lift shift, so
that'll be a good time.
We at least got that to look forward to.
One of those is a flathead and one of them isn't. And whichever one you're looking for is the one you don't find.
This is correct. Help. Just take the waste gates off next. Oh, man. That's it. Yeah.
Alright, well, we got enough Mountain Dew in here now to choke a camel, so.
Good Lord. That's a lot.
And as soon as the little brothers figure out that's there, it'll be gone overnight.
Oh, yeah. That's too late.
You taking the whole front bumper off?
Yeah, in order to get the cherry picker in there, we gotta pull the whole front bumper off.
Yep.
Because the schnoz on these things is huge. So yeah, keep as much together as you can.
Just unhook the fuel right there.
That's fine.
Pull all the fuel hoses, regulator, everything off.
That's fine. Yeah, whatever. Just take it off in as big a chunks as you can.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, Betsy. Oh, there we go. I don't know what's in there.
Huh?
I said some dickhead putting all the bolts down here like you're supposed to.
You told me to.
So now I gotta take them all out. Why is this thing so stinking low?
Don't belong.
Oh, what the hell? Get down now. God damn, that's strong.
Why do you run the throttle cable through the intake manifold?
Because it hides it. It looks better. But it's harder to get out.
It is harder to get out. Just looking at that going, man, this is going to be a pain in the butt. Fire extinguisher in the shop.
No.
You don't need fire extinguishers. Look at that. That's totally fine. You're just dripping some fuel on all the wiring that we did. There's absolutely no way possible I could see that lighting on fire.
What made you decide to swap out steering then, too?
It's lighter.
Okay.
splitter, and this is kind of janky, what I have going on down here. I've had it fall off once before, and the steering got really loose.
That sounds about right.
Yep.
Yeah.
You were along for that, right, Josh?
What?
You were along for that, right?
Yeah.
We're like, oh, this is really loose, man.
I got it hitting it in the driver's seat, and I was like, that sounds really weird. And I tried to take my foot from the whole steering box.
Yep.
Is it easier to take the top half of this intake off first?
You don't have to.
Okay.
There's nothing.
If I can leave it on, I'll leave it on.
Yeah, I think you should just be able to leave it on. As long as you can get the bolts out that hold it to the head,
Yeah.
the nuts off, it should come off.
See, now why does this always come off the wrong way?
Can I grab that, Josh?
With the ramp,
Yeah, the radiator.
I'll do with my Camaros too. Peter convinced me I should turn the 75 and move to the Camaro. Toss the manual in there, get a lock on the tip.
Yeah.
not enough to actually trust myself to make it work.
The fuck?
So wait, I gotta ask, why the sun drop off?
It's all we had laying in the shop at the time.
That's my contribution.
Yeah, that was Josh.
Then we shriveled it up.
Yep, I overheated it. The car got to like 270 some because I left the water pump off.
Yeah.
And then it completely melted it, and that's why it's so small.
What is going on with this?
What?
This just keeps unscrewing forever and ever and ever.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, it's not.
Is it stripped?
I don't think so. Hope not.
You going the right way?
Yeah, I'm going the right way.
No, you're going the wrong way.
Alright.
Are you? Oh yeah, you're going the right way.
I went the wrong way first. Maybe that's why I tightened her all the way back down. It just seems like I've been doing this for a while.
Slice my fingers open.
Did or almost?
Almost did. This is razor sharp, and I just kind of whoosh.
Oh yeah, you can do that. I got a nice one right here from doing that. I took a screwdriver to the palm of my hand. That felt good. I didn't think it was possible. I thought they were dull enough where you'd never have to worry about that, and so I wasn't really being that careful, and then all of a sudden I was bleeding all over.
Just take the waste out.
How many extra bolts we're gonna have at the end too?
Well, when I put it back together, there's probably going to be about 10 extra for sure. As long as you're just smart enough to hide them, and nobody knows.
It's weight reduction. All the extra bolts you find afterwards,
Yep.
weight reduction.
And the ones that fall out when you go down the track, weight reduction.
Yep. Wow, you got a lot more work done than I did.
You got all the tedious crap.
I know. That's why you told me to take the intake off.
Usually the front end is hard to do, but I'm so good at it because I've done it so many times.
gonna go put all these somewhere where they're not gonna get
in a
knocked.
baggie or something.
I'm a dirty little bastard. Sounds good to me.
I just threw this away, so I know it's in here.
You gotta crack that off too. The breather, as far as pulling the engine out. The lower one. That you gotta go on the lower one.
Go with all this one.
Yeah.
Like all the way? Like this very bottom one?
Yep. That's
You know what you're taking off?
Yep. People are gonna be gritting their teeth just watching us wreck these fittings.
We're not being too hard on it.
Not really, but you're supposed to use an AN wrench on all this aluminum, and we're not. Fingernails on a chalkboard for most people. Yeah. Alright. Whoa! I almost went head first into that. I'm clear over here. Hang on, what's going on down here?
Oh, hang on.
There we go. Actually in the back.
That got off. What's that?
That
Hose?
zip tie. That's the fuel rail. Can you whack that zip tie?
There's a cutter right there. Just want to zip that zip tie off.
Zip this up.
Yep.
Oh, geez, it's so tight. It's installed too well.
There you go. That was my ab workout for a month.
Probably gonna be the whole
Yeah, the headers for sure. I don't know if we're going to wind up taking the turbos off. Just unhook it here. But I know he said he wanted to leave the headers on because the exhaust gaskets are actually sealed right now.
Yeah.
If we can leave it that way, that would be ideal.
Should be able to leave the turbos on,
We should, yeah.
I think. You might want to pull that wastegate off in case it hits. That's why I pulled the other one off, because the pressure transducer's there. So,
Oh, yeah.
but yeah, if you just want to pull that off, there is a thing inside there that'll fall out. Make sure you put that back in or else it won't seal. There's like a big, it's like a sleeve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put some sockets away.
Don't lose them right away.
Yeah.
He found corporate in the
Yep. I broke her off.
I don't know what correct jacking form is, but I don't think that's it.
No, the correct jacking form is you can't beat them, join them.
What?
Well, if you can't beat him, join him.
Roll this sleeve in here or back in the car?
Can't beat them, join them. Yeah.
We're puking more fluid out the front now.
Yeah, it's probably about right. Yeah. Yeah.
Show off maybe painless, but that jacket wasn't.
Fingers and wieners clear. Shake test. Oh, that ain't going anywhere.
flashlight?
The one I have is dead.
Well, you can use my phone, still murder it.
I'll try.
Just don't murder it. I've seen what happens with your phones.
I got a 916.
Yeah.
Yep. There's a half inch right here for that.
Do you have a plug-in for your flashlight?
Yeah, if you want to plug it in, go for it.
Yeah,
We're taking the drive shaft out right now. Once the drive shaft's out, we're going to drain the transmission and then pull the cross member out, and we should be ready to pull it out as far as our gear goes.
Probably not the most flattering angle, but it'll do.
I'm sure.
There's more room back there, but you gotta, you can't see it.
Yeah, next calendar.
Hate doing that.
It's still good.
Perfect.
I have no idea. I just.
We'll wrap it this way.
That way?
Yeah.
Which sense?
So yeah, give her a couple laps.
Bubbles, you know.
Yep. I don't want to lose them. Josh is playing with my shaft.
Shut up.
That could be worse. Although, I mean, like the comments.
They always be very.
It's been way worse.
Yeah. That's such a Midwestern attitude. Well, they could be worse. It's like how we feel about everything. But there could be worse. It's not too bad. Watch this again, like power negative or whatever it is. You know what exactly it's called, but talk about not too good, not too bad.
It's brighter than my future.
That it is.
Holy God, that's bright.
Yeah.
Don't really put a light.
Have you guys tested the quality of those mics yet at all? Or is this the first trial run
For
the mic, the lab mics?
We've not used them yet.
Gotcha. So it may not even be recording right now.
As long as the light screen, it should be.
Should be.
I just hope it's really high quality Dorito crunching.
Oh yeah, that's true, Peter. Every time we sit here munching on Doritos, that microphone's sitting right there.
Yeah.
All that microphone is picking up is.
That one doesn't have a plug for it, I don't think, does it?
shot or something.
Oh, and the trans.
A little bit. She's a little sparkly.
I wouldn't be too surprised.
I'm not either. That training went through hell.
This crap again.
Bank card too low.
Pick her up.
It works.
Here, you grab that. You grab the cherry picker, Josh. 1, 2, 3.
Green driver.
Not supposed to do that.
Now start yanking.
I'll just pick her up from there, and then.
We get
What was
motor
that?
mount
That was
bolts
a
out?
what?
You gotta get the motor mount bolts out yet?
I think it's a 5/8 and 11/16.
You ever hit it here and I think it's just blowing on fire.
Slit my throat on this thing.
Why you make everything so janky?
Because it looks cool.
Because it looks like tennis.
It does look like that. Yeah, that is dangerous. I dulled those two. They were even pointier when I first cut them. They're only a freaking razor blade.
With these things?
Yeah, I cut my eyeballs.
Oh, no,
I cut my eyeballs just looking at them.
Oh, dude, do you remember when we put this thing in there? We couldn't get it in, so we greased it up and beat it in there.
Oh, that's how we put mine in.
Yeah, that's how we put mine in too. Feel it. They're all schmutzy, like
Oh, yeah.
grease. Again. Wow, that was easy. You got both of those.
I'll ask the question because I ask it every time. What, any more hydraulic fluid in this thing?
Nope.
Oh!
You have hard hat going.
Alright.
That tickled the old brain up in there.
Yeah, so start sending her up. And
Alright, you do the honors.
alright.
I guess I
You wanna let
don't know if you want
So where's the nut for the other one?
I can grab it.
Right there. You wanna throw this nut on the bolt over there?
Yes.
Alright, do you want to let the tranny down a wee bit? There we go. She's up in the air. Whole motor's flying.
I'm off of the tranny down here.
It's holding itself right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whole sucker's floating off the cherry picker.
Sweet.
So just use the cranker to dangle her however you need it.
Crank her to dangle her.
Yeah. I got the jack underneath it, just so we don't, you know, eat some
In case it
pavement.
does fall.
I should get actual like A-body LS swap mounts for mine.
Yeah.
You mean like the ones you crafted?
Alright, you go
It's
up.
always such a fight to get the stupid thing in and out of there.
You're gonna tell me when. I don't see anything bad happening, but
When you hear it, you'll know.
what?
When you hear it, you'll know.
Stop when it sounds expensive.
Yep.
This is the part of the disassembly where we test the tensile strength of every wire we forgot to disconnect.
Or the hose that's jammed. You want to pull that hose out of there? Adam,
Which
Josh, this one. Okay, I got it. Okay.
I'm gonna have to go up a wee bit more.
Yep, keep going up. Good.
Yep. Yeah, we can go up a ways now.
Okay. You see any problems?
I do not see any problems yet. What's this hooked onto?
This is a CO2 line. That's to the waste gates. That is.
The wire on that exhaust.
Yeah. Good job, Josh.
Well, you probably didn't kiss that little filter you died.
Yeah, that's okay.
Nah, it should be okay.
Still good?
Yep. We can probably pull it back now.
I think we hit our limit.
No. We ain't near the limit yet.
Probably a
Probably.
lot less stroke going on.
Just cause,
Put some more juice in there.
just 'cause you don't got much stroke doesn't mean you're done. What the hell is leaking back there?
Fuel?
Really?
I think so.
Oh, shit.
Another one down.
That's not good. We got one left.
We got two.
Nah, we got 4 now. It
Yeah.
had 6, we lost
This
2.
one was a problem child anyways.
Those are supposed to be more load bearing ones, but yeah.
We don't need that. Not where we're going. My hooked on.
Your shifter's hooked up to the transmitter.
There you go.
You can either put more dangle on it, or you can.
I got her, I think. Okay. Should she go up anymore or no?
We'll say, hey, we should move that rod. And they're nice.
Yep.
You can come back more with it. Or are you going to hit right
Can
here?
we go up more at all, Josh?
And after that, pretty much. Well, no much.
Come on, little buddy. It's going.
You got hydraulic fluid?
Maybe.
You could just dump some in there.
Hey, we don't got far to go.
Does this come off?
No,
I guess not.
it's very welded.
Well, what if we cut it and re-weld it?
Could do that if worse comes to worse. It's going.
Like, quarter inch, everything fine. Yeah, I think we're.
That's pretty much
Yeah,
it.
we've hit our limit. It's done.
Alright, let's pull her. Yeah, let's pull her back as far as we can. And then if we have some people stand in the car, I might be able to weigh it down enough. Okay, so Josh pulls back, me and Adam sit in the car and lift the trainee. Great. Where are we at to the oil pan?
You're not even close.
Really? Come on. Yeah, no, we ain't even close.
No. What if we just heave-ho it out of here?
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
okay with this. I might get out of here. But
The man is sitting over it. Yeah, that's what it is.
I won't sit over it, but see, now I'm okay with it.
Right, look to the dial 9-1.
I mean, I can just use a Sawzall too. That doesn't throw sparks at all.
Yeah, that's true. Sawzall don't throw sparks.
Josh is out of here.
Tip on it. Mega. Okay, go ahead.
Whoa.
Get it going. Put it in there.
Woo! Keep going. That's it. Motor's out. Now we just gotta rip the bell housing and tranny off, rip the clutch off, rip the flywheel off, and this can sit on an engine stand for the next 2 months. So. Woohoo!
Yeah, just yanking her around. It's like 20 grand hanging up.
That's about 20 grand.
Most of it's from the bell housing back.
Yeah, this is only like 6.
Yeah.
I guess so. I don't know what I torqued these two, but it was too much.
They probably got a Loctite on them.
Redneck racing, am I right?
Smells like cherries.
That fruit punch.
We're getting locked though. There's a bunch of locked.
We're flooding the shop up here.
That's sweet. Let's check this thing out and see how bad she is. Feel all that?
Oh no, that's clutch dust mixed with the 85.
Okay.
Which the clutch dust, I believe, based on how he abuses it.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I don't act surprised. You know, he knows he's guilty.
You got her?
Yep.
He's definitely got some heat in there.
Oh yeah.
Gotta hold on to her. Shouldn't fall off. It's got dowel. Okay. Pick her off of there. Damn it.
Need that.
Probably.
I got one over here.
Yeah, she's been heated a couple times for sure. It's got quite the glaze. Steels. Look at all the clutch dust. It's everywhere. Ooh. Yeah, it's been hot.
$30.
Yeah, they are.
Yep, that got warm.
Yeah.
For sure.
You touch me like it's still hot.
I guess let's get these flywheel off of here. Yeah, maybe we just save this for another stick car that's only makes like 600 horse or something.
Oh, we just said we were never going to do that again.
You're right. But you never know. So we got everything apart, and we're going to be putting this everything back together here pretty quick. The tranny is going to get sent out to get face plated, and the engine is just going to literally sit on an engine stand until we come back with a new tranny and full clutch. But yeah, everything is stuck on it as it was, so we shouldn't have to go back. When we put it back in the car, it's going to be really easy to put it back in. Yeah, it's going to be pretty sick. That engine's kind of a behemoth. You look at it outside the car and it's like, wow, that thing's wide.
Put the headers and the turbo on.
Yeah. So I'm ending this video off. I know it's a lot of shop stuff, but that's kind of what we got going on in the shop right now, and I want to keep you guys involved in that. So I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you guys later.